Are Coursera HR courses actually worth your time and money? Or are you better off learning HR somewhere else? In this video, I'll break down which Coursera HR courses are actually worth it, based on ratings, reviews, and real career value. Before we start, quick tip. If you're planning to take more than one course, Coursera Plus can be a better option. You get access to multiple courses under one plan, which makes it easier to explore HR, management, and even AI without paying for each course separately. I've linked it below if you want to check it out. Now let's start with the best overall option. The most complete HR course is Human Resource Management, HR for People Managers by the University of Minnesota. It has over 16,000 reviews and a strong 4.8 rating. This course covers everything from hiring and onboarding to performance management and compensation. If you want one course that gives you a full HR skill set, this is the one to start with. Now let's talk about the best option for beginners. The HRCI Human Resource Associate by HRCI. It also has a 4.8 rating with more than 3,000 reviews. This course is designed for people with no prior HR experience. It focuses on core skills like recruitment, employee relations, and compliance. Now here's a modern pick that's becoming very important. The Generative AI for Human Resources, HR Professionals by IBM. It has around 12,000 reviews and a rating of about 4.7. This course teaches how AI is used in HR tasks like hiring, workforce planning, and employee engagement. If you want future-ready HR skills, this one stands out. Now let's talk about what you actually get from these courses. You'll learn recruitment, performance management, HR strategy, and modern tools used in real companies. Some courses also include projects, which help you build practical experience. Now here's the strategy most people miss. Instead of taking just one course, build a learning path. Start with HR basics, then move into areas like talent acquisition, analytics, or HR tech. That's where Coursera Plus becomes really useful. You can take multiple courses, explore different paths, and build a complete HR skill set without paying for each one separately. But let's keep it real. Watching videos is not enough. You need to apply what you learn and understand how HR works in real organizations. So, are Coursera HR courses worth it? If you choose the right ones and stay consistent, then yes, they can help you build job-ready HR skills, especially if you start with the University of Minnesota program. If you want to explore these courses or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest course reviews like this.